that the Bengalis are leaving because they feel insecure and because they feel that there is a persecution against them by the army which will continue.
No.
Is it in your thinking that there should be persecution against these people?
I think any government which would like to persecute their own people is nothing but exaggerated lies. Army has persecuted nobody. Army has tried to save 70 million people of East Pakistan against armed rebels of East Pakistan who were excited and incited by a new theory and philosophy of Awami League for secession. The vast majority of Pakistan, in East Pakistan, have heaved a sigh of relief that this trend and this movement and this agitation has stopped because of army action.